So hello everyone, finally the phase 1 result for the NABARD grade A 2025 is out and congratulations to all those who have cleared the exam. So now let's discuss for the other step जो हमें 10 days में direction चाहिए and how we'll frame our answers, कैसे phase 2 की strategy होनी चाहिए and कैसे हम उस exam को भी crack कर पाए. So we have launched a course for that. So let's first discuss the features of that course. First of all, you will get the evaluation of the test and sample answers will be provided for the questions. Then mind maps will be incorporated in your answer so that you can structure your answer better और कैसे आपको उसको brainstorm करना है. Then we will be having 10 mock test of ESI and ARD and 10 mocks of English. तो ये आपको सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी. There are other features too. We'll discuss that in detail while viewing the course कि आपको कैसे उसे assess करना है. वहाँ पर और features भी दिखेंगे आपको. Then moving on to the other thing, what all will be the classes inside. तो जितने भी आपके descriptive test होंगे या objective test हैं, तो there are 5 classes for discussion of each of them. So you can see that is for the ARD, ESI and English as well. तो इन सारी चीज़ों की discussion होगी. अब हमें ये course actual में assess कैसे करना है and what all other features are there. Let's have a look. First of all, हम Anuj Jindal site पे जाएंगे. By visiting the site, you can go on the courses and then you can move to the NABARD grade A course. Then moving on to the course, you can scroll a little bit downwards and then you will see here NABARD grade A phase 1 GA plus phase 2 complete course. So this would be the best option for you to enroll. You can go to the enroll option, you will click here and you will get such an interface where you will have certain offers for you as well, because the price here which you can see is around 25,000, but when you will apply this achiever code, then you will get the discount and you will have the course of the range 6,024. Then moving scrolling through the course, what all you will get is, first of all, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि there are tests, so you will get the test series for the phase 2 as well as there is the NABARD grade A crash course जो हमारा 2025 के लिए हुआ है, where all ARD lectures are there, ESI lectures are there. तो वहाँ से आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, प्लस करंट अफेयर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं. So economic and social issues will also be there. English descriptive is there. Then agriculture and rural development की classes हैं. So you will get a lot many things. Then current affairs are also there. जो PIB के current affairs हैं, they are very important as far as your phase 2 is concerned. तो और सारे जो features हैं वो आपको मिल जाएंगे. And for example ARD current affairs भी काफ़ी important है. So गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स के डॉक्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. सो एवरीथिंग इज हेयर. ये कंप्लीट पैकेज है विच यू कैन असेस बाय गोइंग थ्रू आवर कोर्स एंड आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. एंड जिन भी लोगों का पेपर क्लियर हुआ है, जो भी हमारे इनरोल्ड स्टूडेंट्स है, यू कैन कॉमेंट डाउन इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन दैट यू हैव क्रैक्ड एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ विल मूव now we'll end the session here and move towards the preparation without wasting any time. So thank you. That's it.